Alright, let's dive into something that's both timely and tasty. Nutrition Month at McGill University Health Centre. But this isn't your typical, eat your veggies kind of story. What makes this really interesting is how the hospital is blending health, sustainability, and culinary creativity into one dish. Personally, I think this is a brilliant move, and here's why. First off, the hook, plant-based meatballs and a peach sauce. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just about throwing together a salad and calling it a day. This dish is designed to be comforting, flavorful, and, most importantly, plant-based. What many people don't realize is that hospitals are often at the forefront of dietary innovation, especially when it comes to patient care. This isn't just about serving food. It's about serving food that heals, nourishes, and aligns with broader health goals. Now, let's talk about why plant-based meals matter. From my perspective, this isn't just a trend. It's a shift in how we think about food. Vegetarian meals are high in fiber, low in saturated fat, and great for heart health. But what this really suggests is that we can eat in a way that's better for both our bodies and the planet. Plant-based foods have a smaller environmental footprint, and that's a detail I find fascinating. It's not just about personal health, it's about planetary health too. One thing that immediately stands out is the collaboration behind this initiative. The food services team worked with the clinical nutrition department and even involved dietetic interns like Yas Kalikias. This raises a deeper question. How often do we think about the people behind the meals we eat? These interns aren't just helping with recipes. They're conducting patient satisfaction surveys and contributing to a larger vision of sustainable healthcare. It's a reminder that food is a team effort and every player counts. Now, let's zoom out for a second. The MUHC isn't just adding a plant-based option to their menu. They're making a statement about sustainability. Micheline Kama, the food services coordinator, mentions that this is part of their long-term commitment to sustainable development. If you take a step back and think about it, hospitals are massive institutions with a huge environmental impact. By shifting toward plant-forward menus, they're not just feeding patients. They're setting an example for the entire healthcare industry. In my opinion, this is where things get really exciting. Organizations like the Eat Lancet Commission and Canada's Food Guide are pushing for more plant-based diets, and healthcare institutions are listening. Jade Corriveau, the manager responsible for menu and software, points out that this isn't just a local trend, it's a global movement. What this really suggests is that food can be a powerful tool for change, both in our bodies and in the world. So here's my closing thought. On March 24th, if you're near the Glen or Montreal General Hospital, go try those plant-based meatballs. But don't just taste the dish, think about what it represents. It's a meal that's good for you, good for the planet, and part of a bigger conversation about how we eat and why it matters. Personally, I think that's something worth celebrating. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.